Today on this episode, we're driving up Santiago Peak. Yeah, it's kind of rainy, it's kind of hazy, it's a little bit drizzly. In fact, you might be able to see some of the drizzle on the lens, but we're gonna go up, we're replacing a microwave receiver, and we're getting the live Santiago Peak camera back just for you. Yes, just for you.
All right, so we are on a transmitter visit day. We're going up to where?
Santiago Peak. We're going up to Santiago Peak to replace some equipment because it needs replacing. Because we got it fixed. We got the equipment fixed. So now we're putting it back where it goes.
And to fix the camera.
And yes, we have to fix the camera. Whoa. The camera for the live feed is broken at the moment, so we have to go fix that too. So come along for an exciting adventure to Santiago Peak.
We're halfway up, we're at Four Corners, and can't really see anything up there. Hopefully the mountain's still there. What if it's gone? We made it up to Santiago Peak, got in the building. It's a little moist out here. A little bit of water. Good thing my shoes are waterproof. Right down my back. Today's link is we've got to replace our microwave receiver on this end at Santiago Peak. And well, I had one on the shelf, I tried to put it in, but I didn't realize that there was some software differences between my transmitter and the receiver. They have to basically be done in pairs. So I sent the old one back, got it back from the manufacturer, they fixed it. We just slapped it back in. It's happy, I'm happy, which means I now have multiple paths of getting audio up here. The other thing we did was to get our live pan tilt zoom camera back up and running because I wanted to see what the weather was like and others like you wanted to see what the weather was like up here. So that's up and running now. Ready, Chad?
Ready!
I don't know what we're ready for. I think we're gonna clean up and head back. I like this computer. Okay, time to put this inside. You'll see me as I push Chad off the mountain. Ah! Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Hope you had fun. I know it was kind of a shorter one. It was a short trip for us as well. We were up and back in, a morning? So if you like this video, if you want me to continue to do these types of video, hit the like button, the thumbs up button. And if you want to see these videos every week, hit subscribe and you'll get notified. And actually, if you hit the bell that's right next to subscribe, you'll get notified every time I upload a video. So with that, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.